is this beautiful edge that features frills at the bottom of your work, worked with double crochets and picot stitches. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the crown loops edge. I'll be using a 4mm hook and some acrylic yarn size 4. Alright, so for this design, you want to start with a foundation chain that's a multiple of 3 plus 1. In my case, I have 19 chains. We're going to start with row 1. For row 1, you're going to do 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So you skip the first one and into the second, 1 single crochet. Now we're going to do 1 single crochet into each chain all the way to the end. So just do 1 single crochet all the way down, and I'll see you when you're done. All right, this here is the end of row 1. For row 2, we're going to chain 1 and flip your work. You're going to be doing 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches. So do 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to start the row repeat. The repeat starts with a chain 4. And now you're going to do 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. So do 1 into the next, 2, and 3. And that's what you want to do all the way down with chain 4. And then do 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches. And 3. And there we go. Continue doing this all the way down, chain 4 and 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, and I'll see you at the end of the row. Okay, at the end you'll finish off with just your final 3 single crochets into each of the last 3 stitches. This here is the end of row 2. Now for row 3, we're going to chain 1 and flip your work. You're going to do 1 single crochet into each of the first 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. Now we're going to start the row repeat. The repeat starts by skipping the next single crochet, and into the chain 4 space you're going to do 1 double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3. Now you're going to slip stitch into the third chain from the hook, or the first one that you made, to create a picot stitch. Just slip stitch into that chain. Now we are going to do that again. We're going to chain 3. Or sorry. Remove that chain 3, my bad. After we just did this picot stitch, you actually want to do 1 double crochet into that chain 4 space again. And there we go. Now we want to repeat the picot stitch and the double crochet 3 more times. So we're going to chain 3 and do our slip stitch to the first chain that you made, and then a double crochet into that same chain 4 space. Now 2 more times, chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain that you made, and then double crochet into the chain 4 space. And then once more, chain 3, slip stitch into that first chain, and then 1 double crochet into that same chain 4 space. It's going to give you this kind of crown here. Now we are going to continue the repeat. You're going to skip 1 single crochet and then do 1 single crochet into the next. Okay, that there ends the repeat. So let's go back to the beginning of it, and I'll do it once again with you. The repeat starts by skipping the next single crochet and then working 1 double crochet into the next chain 4 space. Now we are going to do the following repetition a total of 4 times. You're going to chain 3 and then do a slip stitch into the first chain that you made, and then a double crochet into the chain 4 space. That's what we want to repeat a total of 4 times, so 3 more times, chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain that you made, and then a double crochet into that chain 4 space. There we go. Now we need this, I believe, twice more. This is a picot stitch, and then double crochet into the same chain space. And then this will be my last one, chain 3, slip stitch, and 1 double crochet into the same chain 4 space. And let me count here. I should have 4 picot stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. That's what we want to do. And then to finish off the repeat, we're skipping the next single crochet into the next 1 single crochet. And that there ends the repeat. So we can go back to the beginning of the repeat, which is skip the next single crochet and then work the double crochet into the chain 4 space, and then those 4 repetitions of picot stitch, double crochet, picot, double crochet, picot, double crochet, picot, double crochet. Skip a stitch, then 1 single crochet into the next. I'm going to do this all the way down, and I'll see you at the end of the row. Okay, I just finished my last repeat to the last chain 4 space, doing those double crochets and picots in between. Now to finish off this row, we're going to be skipping the next stitch for the repeat, and then 1 single crochet into the next. But you're going to be left with 1 stitch still, so you want to make sure that you do a single crochet into that last stitch of the row. Now this here is the end of row 3. This is what your border or edge looks like, and this is how you would attach it. You just create this fun little ruffle at the bottom. You can go ahead and cut off your yarn and thread your ends through. Okay, and here we have it. This one definitely adds a lot of like frills or ruffles at the bottom of the work. You see these kind of holes in the middle and then all those picot stitches at the bottom. Super pretty. Hey, while you're at it, why don't you just subscribe to my channel? Just do it. Just do it.